Most pest control companies don't struggle because they lack customers. They struggle because scheduling, routing, and follow-ups fall apart when calls start piling up. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, pest control software is not just a convenience. It is what separates a smooth-running business from one that constantly feels chaotic. In this video, you'll learn the best software for pest control companies in 2026, what each platform actually does, and which one fits your workflow best. Let's start with one of the most widely used tools in the service industry, Jobber. Jobber is designed for small to mid-sized pest control businesses that need simple scheduling, invoicing, and customer management. A technician like Alex can receive job details, update service completion in real time, and send invoices right after finishing a treatment. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is very easy to adopt, which means your team can start using it quickly, without long training. But it may feel limited if your pest control company needs advanced reporting or complex routing optimization. Next is Housecall Pro tool. Housecall Pro focuses heavily on automation and customer communication. A pest control owner like Jake can send automated appointment reminders, collect payments on site, and keep customers updated without manual follow-ups. But here's the problem. As your business grows, you may find its customization and advanced operational controls are not deep enough for large-scale pest control routes. Third is Service-a-Titan. Service-a-Titan is built for large pest control and home service companies. It handles scheduling, dispatching, CRM, call booking, marketing, reporting, and sales tracking in one powerful platform. This is where Service-a-Titan stands out. It is designed for high-volume operations with multiple teams and service zones. But it is also expensive and can feel overwhelming for smaller companies. Now, let's talk about Field Routes. Field Routes is specifically built for pest control companies. It focuses on route optimization, recurring service plans, customer management, and technician tracking. A technician like John can follow optimized routes, reduce drive time, and complete more jobs per day. It is very strong for pest control workflows, especially recurring service contracts. However, it may not be necessary for very small companies just starting out. Finally, we have PestPack. PestPack is one of the most established pest control software platforms. It includes scheduling, billing, CRM, route management, and reporting tailored specifically for pest control operations. Now here is the key insight most pest control owners miss. The best software is not the one with the most features. It is the one that keeps your technicians on schedule and your customers consistently serviced without missed visits. So let's simplify it. If you want something simple and easy, Jobber is a strong choice. If you want automation and customer communication, Housecall Pro works well. If you are running a large operation, Service-a-Titan is powerful. If you need pest control specific routing, Field Routes is a great fit. And if you want a long-established industry system, PestPack is reliable. The biggest mistake pest control owners make is choosing software based on popularity instead of how their routes and recurring services actually run in the field. So the takeaway is simple. The best pest control software is the one that keeps your routes efficient, your technicians productive, and your customers on schedule. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more honest software breakdowns and comparisons like this.